Your paycheck is not your money. Do you think that payday means you got paid? No, it simply means that your landlord got paid, your bills got paid, and your debts got paid. And by the time you get paid, there's nothing left. You are working for everyone else except yourself. I want you to drop the words in the comments, my turn. If you are ready to actually build something that will pay you. This is a business opportunity for a global audience who want to live an above average life, working only 2 hours a day with a fully automated system that pays you on a daily basis. However, you have to be coachable, teachable, and consistent with a burning desire to make money. And most importantly, you need to have a sense of urgency, because without a sense of urgency, nothing happens. So what are you waiting for?